Happy fall, y'all! Welcome to sunny, hot, and muggy Orlando in late August. I'm Chris Kapp with Lucre & Co.
And I'm Becky, the baker and dream homemaker. And today we've got a condo tour that's just as cool as the AC system, which is, by the way, brand new.
She's starting with the dad jokes already, Becky.
Of course. But today we're going to be showing you a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo that honestly feels like you're on vacation every single day.
Yes, cathedral ceilings, open floor plan, all new vinyl flooring, and no carpet anywhere, which means no vacuum wars.
Or mystery stage, which is always a plus.
The kitchen is a showstopper. Sleek cabinetry, solid surface countertops, modern appliances, and a double oven. Perfect if you're a serious chef.
Or if you just like to heat up 2 frozen pizzas at the same time.
Hey, don't knock it if you don't try, Becky.
The primary suite also has a walk-in closet, an ensuite bathroom, and the guest bathroom fully redone in 2024 with high-end tile, modern vanity that works, honestly, great for your guests. Maybe they never want to leave.
Which is great. Well, unless your in-laws are visiting.
Careful, Chris. They might be watching this video.
And here's the best part. Major updates are already done. You got a brand new AC system with ultraviolet light for clean, efficient air, plus a brand new water heater. Basically, less time worrying about repairs and more time enjoying the Florida living.
And here's the kicker. This is almost the lowest priced condo currently available in the Southpointe community, and for sure, definitely the best updates. So if you're ready to get these upgrades in one of the best valued communities, come on and check it out.
Yeah, basically it's champagne taste on a Costco sparkling water budget.
Let's head on inside and show you around. And that's what makes living in the Ventura Country Club so special. The resort-style amenities.
You've got 2 private Southpointe pools, a hot tub, championship 18-hole golf course, tennis and pickleball courts, a full fitness center, and even a restaurant and bar right inside the clubhouse. And you know what it's called? The 19th hole.
And let's not forget Lake Frederica, where you can relax by the water, grill out with friends, or just enjoy the Florida sunset.
All of this inside of a secure, gated community, and you're only minutes from downtown Orlando, the airport, shopping, dining, and yes, the theme parks too.
And remember, this condo isn't just upgraded and move-in ready. It's also one of the lowest priced options currently available in Southpointe, and that is a rare find.
Sure is. So whether you're looking for a first-time home, a vacation getaway, or an investment property, this one checks all the boxes. And if you buy fast enough, we'll even save you a lounge chair right there over by the pool.
I'm Becky the baker and dream homemaker.
And I'm Chris Kapp with Lucre & Co. Give us a call today to schedule your private showing. And don't forget to subscribe and like the link below. And I have a free investment guide for you in the comments below to help you with this great property.
And hey, if you do move in, you might just want to catch Chris trying to take over one of the pickleball courts.
Becky the baker and dream homemaker, I play to win. but I'll save you a seat by the pool afterwards.
Deal.
See ya!